We don't have any fucking time. Go here for a more detailed explanation. We have the symbolic constants for the G25 values, 0 to 24 inclusive. Symbolic constants for the R4 values, 0 to 3 inclusive on the X and Y axis. We have lookup tables that do not exist but might exist in the future. We have the hotel index, 0 to 8 converted to memory cell X or memory cell Y. You're going to have to check out these diagrams to understand what that means. A smoke test for those tables, and then a note on how to check our math. And then we're going to check our math here in this blue. Down here we have another lookup table, the G25 grid cell index converted to the R4X or the R4Y. You'll notice that there is a very interesting shape here, and that's so you can understand what you're looking at by just seeing the shape of the code. Something we'll do in the next video probably. Another conversion table, the G25 index to the R13 index, and the inverse, R13 to G25. This has no holes in it, but this has invalid slots. We're going to convert from here to here and back again down here. We convert one way and then back, and we should end up with whatever numbers we originally started with. That is working. These are some monkey wrench macros for disallowed variable names. What we were going to do, and we're going to save this for 165 now, this function right here. This is what we did previously. We cleaned up these diagrams. This is the set of R13 values, the set of G25 values. This was originally R16. Now it's renamed to R13, which is correct. It was improper previously. Here's a whole bunch of variable names. We thought pretty fucking hard about what our variable names mean and why they are named what they are named. Here's what we did in this video. And if you want a longer explanation, you're gonna have to go here because I fucking don't have time. Video 163.